So tomorrow we're getting our chicks, and we have our brooder set up. We've got our waterer there. We've got the paper to throw the feed on the first few days. We've got our temperature sensor there to our wireless remote thermometer, and our heat lamp. Now my husband was really concerned about the fire hazard because he's such a good person and worried about his family's safety. And so we went online to look for ideas, and basically the woman that we're getting the chicks from, her big suggestion was just to make sure we got a heat lamp, there we go, with a ceramic socket, not the plastic one. She said that's a huge problem, so definitely made sure we tracked one of those down. My husband still wasn't satisfied, so he rigged up this cage to put around it so that if it falls, it should have a barrier between the shavings that'll eventually be on the bottom of this and the heat lamp. So what he did is he raided the kitchen cupboard, and he took my wire baskets that once had nice little liners in them that I used to hold container lids, and using a pair of tin snips he cut the spokes, and as you can see in the smaller one he actually just wired it together to make it a smaller box. Then he took the other basket, I think I got these at like Walmart, a store like that, some sort of store like that. There was like a set of 3 for like $11 or $12. Anyway, and so he took the bigger one, and he, you can see here where he snipped around that so that the dish of the lamp could kind of fit snugly in there. And then he just wired it all together, and basically he hung it up. Now he used leftover chandelier chain, and then you see the black cord, as the primary suspension. But since he is such a cautious person who thinks through every possible scenario, he also rigged up a secondary, which is that lovely bungee cord. Doesn't look very nice, but in case for some reason that metal chain should somehow come undone, it's okay, because now we have this bungee cord holding it up. So it's very thorough. He did a really good job on it. What else, honey? Anything else you can think of on this?
Me.
Oh, and then I didn't get footage of this, but one more part of evidence that he is such a cautious husband and father is that he took a paper napkin and basically shoved it in the cage up under the heat lamp for about 5 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah,
to make sure that it wasn't going to catch on fire, and it didn't. It just got a little warm, so he felt better about that. And yeah, so I mean, just basically shoving a chick in there. We're pretty confident that this is going to be about as safe as we can make it. So we're ready for our chicks. Hopefully that gives people an idea if they're looking for how to quickly come up with some sort of a cage to reduce the fire hazard of their chick brooder. So anyway, hope this helps.